Daddy, can you buy me? Can you buy me a new cell phone, please?
Cheyenne, you know I don't have no money right now for buy you a new phone. What's wrong with the phone we have right now? Nothing to do it.
Daddy, that phone outdated. I can't download certain apps on it no more. That's why I ask you for a new phone. Please, Daddy. I'm not really ask you for nothing else.
Alright, look, if I make more money this week, me get your phone, alright? Don't worry about it. But just give me time. I can't afford it right now, Cheyenne. But when I get the money, me buy it for you, I promise. You know I'm not lie to you. Go on to school, man, you're gonna be late. Cheyenne, you ready for you? Come on, come bring your last school. You're not gonna be late.
Thanks, Raj. I try to wake up late. But if you hurry, we can make it in time. Forward now. Is a new car you buy, Raj? This don't look like the old one. It's really nice. Sometimes I feel like my dad should be a taxi driver. Maybe he can be able to get me the stuff that I want. Tell him I ask him for a new phone. I'm tell me say him can't buy it. I don't understand why we can't get the stuff that I want. You understand what I say?
Oh, new phone you want?
The latest peer phone, but
I can get it for you.
really, Rush, you would get it for me?
Of course, man, I want to that. I can afford that phone, man.
Thank you so much, Rush. I really appreciate it.
Don't worry about it. It's so you're cool, nice and thing. Don't worry, you deserve it, man.
Thank you, Rush. I can't wait.
Just not tell nobody, see me. Not tell nobody, see me buy it for you, alright? Overlook a secret.
Peter gave me something to tell you. Really? What you have to tell me, say? What is it? But I asked my father if I buy the phone, but he said no. Really? But Raj said I'm gonna buy it for me. But can't believe it, Raj is so nice. Wait, which Raj? The taxi, the coolie boy Raj? How many am I gonna buy it? How many if him grab by me one too? Him said sometime this week he will buy it for me, but can't believe it. Him so nice, don't it? I finally will get the phone. When I've asked my father feet neither. Cause I was just I was asked for foolishness. And I said, I need a new phone because the old phone can't make call, and that's all I mean. This is the president don't understand. But if him do buy the phone, we can ask him for it. Yeah, man. I wonder if him would buy me the earpods too. And that's what I love. I'm an old phone mashup. Maybe you can ask him to buy a tablet too. No, man, I just want the phone. But he might tell me, I can't tell nobody saying buy it. But just I tell you, okay? So don't tell nobody. I guess most just have to hide it when I come home so my parents can see. Yeah, you finally just step up in life.
Karima, one tear. How about you from one day? You just look so sad and out. Down and out, I mean. You can tell me what bother you? Or wrong?
I just really miss Diana. When I really talk to people much at school, and she was my only real friend. I'm gonna really hear from her no more. I wonder if she's alright.
Maybe she's just busy. I mean, she got foreign and thing. She must have deal with some other stuff, I guess. I'm worried that Mr. Her mother not really deal with her good. Maybe she's stressed out and don't want to talk. If you worry about her, try link her again. Look here.
We can't take care of you think kissing solve everything, idiot boy.
It put a smile on your face though, don't it?
Yeah, I can. Come on, you promised you would buy me KFC. Or before you get too late, mother go look for me.
I can't believe at this. Me really left me 3-bedroom, big yard space in a Jamaica for. Me still can't believe it. Oh yes, I damn lie the money. Look what I look place here. Look how it's small. I mean, I can stop cuss you about it. Me vex bad about this. Me not lie.
Babes, you can't be angry. This apartment's really expensive.
Expensive. Which part on this expensive? You see one box this. Yeah, idiot. How much you pay for this every single month? Me can't believe you say I pay $2,000 for this every.
This is one of the most expensive neighborhoods in Toronto.
$2,000 a month. Me can live like a princess uptown at Jamaica.
Babes, don't be mad.
Hey boy, nobody come kiss off of me now after me an idiot. Me want to live somewhere more big. In here too damn small. No space to even walk around.
I can't afford anything.
What you just say? You can't afford anything else? You're a real mad boy. Look, you're in here small. You walk out of the next room, you instantly go in the next one. No look at hallway, none. It's a damn box this, and you pay $2,000. You's a blood clad mad boy. I know what me get myself in. You damn broke foreigner, you.
Babes, do you want pizza? Maybe that would cheer you up.
Wait there. This weird thing say I'll Uber the pizza. I can't make the pizza from scratch. Really, idiot boy. Nah, man. Yeah, something to do you, don't it?
Uber's expensive, babe. Don't worry, you're gonna love this pizza.
After a minute, I never see you wash your hand though. So you touch the pizza with your body hand. Damn idiot.
Babe, I'm trying, okay? Stop stressing me out. You're gonna like it, trust me.
I can't believe I really did something I have to go live.
Babe, it's not that bad. You're overreacting. Trust me. Stop acting like a child. Just enjoy the time you're here.
Oh yeah. Come on now. Load up your voice, man. You know me, babe.
Babe, I'm not yelling at you. I'm just trying to talk to you. Simple. My God.
Hurry up and finish the pizza. I'm tired for your voice. You're sick, my stomach bad. And you're damn liar. I wish you wouldn't your bad.
The pizza's almost done, okay? Okay? My God, man. Can't take that shit. You keep yelling and complaining. You wanted to come to Canada. Here you are. Yet you're complaining. My God, man. I don't know what to do.
You make me false promises, you know. You say you live in a big apartment.
This apartment is big compared to the other ones. Come on, man. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a 1-bedroom. Look, we can go to the park.
Why the hell me I want to go to the park and outside cold?
We can explore the city and look around.
Yeah, real, my dad. And look at that pizza, it look like it burn up in the sun too long. You can't cook, you don't have no money. No, sir. You really workless boy. How your mother get it from? You left the big house in Jamaica like this. Nah, man. This ever bother me. Make a take a walk, don't follow me. I'm out there, might as well go find one rich man because this boy not no damn sense.
Babes, you can't walk outside by yourself. It's not safe.
Idiot boy, you don't know where me come from, but not safe. I'm right there, enough to follow me, eh? Me go look one next man.
Babe, you don't even know where you're going. Babe, wait. Tensia, let's go to the park. Come on.
Leave me alone.